What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? On today's episode of What's on the Ballot, we look at the Cuyahoga County Court of Common Pleas judge races. I will tell you the ratings from judgeforyourself.com, and I will also let you know who the candidates are. I'm Stephen Kiner, and this is Engaging with Your Government. Get started with today's video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that post notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. Also, please visit vote.org. Once again, vote.org to update, check, register to vote. Recently in Ohio, people who have not participated in elections recently were removed from the voting rolls. Please make sure, call your Board of Elections. I will put Cuyahoga County's Board of Elections information website down below in the description. Also, vote.org to check your registration, to register, fix anything that you need to fix. The deadline is October the 7th. Please register to vote. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're here to talk about the Court of Cuyahoga County Common Pleas General Division. What I have with you today is judgeforyourself.com. I have the list of candidates who will be running, and I have their ratings from judgeforyourself.com. I'm going to let you know now, a lot of these candidates refused to participate or were not recommended, or sometimes both. The organizations who gave out these grades are the Asian Americans Bar Association of Ohio, and for every single person, it's in this order. So it's the Ohio Asian American Bar Association, the Cuyahoga Criminal Defense Lawyers Association, Cleveland Metropolitan Bars Association, Norman S. Minor Bar Association, Ohio Prosecuting Attorneys Association, and the Ohio's Women Bar Association. And the Plain Dealer of Cleveland, Cleveland.com's Plain Dealer, did endorse some of these candidates. So if I see endorsed by the candidate, I will let you know. So without further ado, let's get started and let's go to these ratings. So the first person up on the list is Kevin J. Kelly. Kevin J. Kelly refused to participate with the Asian American Bar Association, Cuyahoga Criminal Defense Lawyers Association, Cleveland Metropolitan's Bar Association, Norman S. Minor Bar Association, and the Ohio Prosecuting Attorneys Association. However, he received a not recommended from the Ohio's Women's Bar Association, and he was endorsed by the Plain Dealer. Next up on the list, we have Antonio Nicholson. Antonio Nicholson refused to participate with the Asian American Bar Association, the Cuyahoga Criminal Defense Lawyers Association, Cleveland Metropolitan Bar Association, Norman S. Minor Bar Association, Ohio Prosecuting Attorneys Association, and received a not recommended from the Ohio Women's Bar Association. Next up on the list, we have Tim Hess. He has the exact same thing as Antonio Nicholson. Refused to participate. Then he received a not recommended from the Ohio Prosecuting Attorneys Association and also the Women's Bar Association as well. Molly Murphy refused to participate, and received a not recommended from the Ohio Women's Bar Association. If I pronounce any names wrong, I do apologize. Imbrogno has received satisfactory from the Asian American Bar Association, satisfactory from Cuyahoga Criminal Defense Lawyers Association, satisfactory from the Cleveland Metropolitan Bar Association, was not recommended by the Norman S. Minor Bar Association or the Ohio Prosecuting Attorneys Association, but received a good from the Ohio Women's Bar Association. Joy Kennedy refused to participate with everyone, and from the Ohio Women's Bar Association received a not recommended. Daryl received a refuse to participate, and a not recommended from the Ohio Women's Bar Association. Joan Synenberg received a excellent from the Asian American Bar Association of Ohio, Cuyahoga Criminal Defense Lawyers Association, and the Cleveland Metropolitan Bar Association, and the Norman S. Minor Bar Association. Received a satisfactory from the Ohio Prosecuting Attorneys Association, and received an excellent from the Ohio Women's Bar Association. So that's the first positive one we have received so far, ladies and gentlemen. Moving on to Cassandra Williams. Cassandra Williams refused to participate with everyone except for the Ohio Women's Bar Association, got a not recommended. Jason Ralls got a not recommended from the Asian American Bar Association of Ohio, a not recommended from the Cuyahoga Criminal Defense Lawyers Association, a not recommended from the Cleveland Metropolitan Bar Association, refused to participate with the Norman S. Minor Bar Association, Ohio Practicing Attorneys Association, and got a not recommended from the Ohio Women's Bar Association. And last but not least, we have Timothy W. Clary, who received a excellent, received a good from the Ohio's Prosecuting Attorneys Association, and then received an excellent once again from the Ohio's Women's Bar Association. So got an excellent from every organization except for the Ohio Prosecuting Attorneys Association, received a good. So those are the judges for the Cuyahoga County Court of Common Pleas General Division. Those are their names, and those are the recommendations, the ratings by the judgeforyourself.com or .org. I will link judgeforyourself.org down in the description down below. Please do your own research. Do your own research. You have the names of these candidates. I will put their name in the description too. Those I mispronounced, I will put everyone's name, but especially those I mispronounced, so you can know how to spell the name correctly. So you can do your own research on this candidate. It's important that we focus on the judge races. We have other judge races that I will be getting to in the coming weeks as well. And then once we get done with every judge race that deals with Cuyahoga County, that deals with the Ohio Supreme Court, then we'll get to the candidates who are running for political positions as well. So that's it for me today. Let me know your thoughts down below on any of these candidates. Please do your research, and please make sure you check your voter registration, you update it, or you register to vote. Alrighty, y'all. That's it for me. Be good people. Stephen Counter.